Crafteria, Crafteria, Crafteria.
Hello, it's Crafteria and welcome to another video. Today I have an unboxing from a company called Lbeads. I've worked with them in the past. They reached out to me recently in email and asked me if I would make a few videos for them. I went ahead and chose some products on their website. They sent them to me for free so I can show them to you. Their company is really, really nice to work with. Shipping was quite fast. They did give me a coupon code for you, and I will put that in the description box below. That's for 3% off of your order. And I will put links to everything that I ordered in the description box below so you can go check them out. Their prices are extremely reasonable. I really do enjoy working with them. The first item I chose were these white wax dotting pencils. They come in a set of 3. And they come unsharpened. I used just a little child's sharpener to sharpen one of them so I can show you what they do. You know, I use a lot of bling and gems, diamond painting, all that kind of stuff. And I thought these would be great to pick up some gems. So for example, I have these 3 pieces of regular bling, and then you just take your sharpened pencil, press it down on your bling, and it picks it up for you. And then it comes off super easy onto your adhesive on your paper. And it works for these larger gems, and it will also work for smaller gems. It even works on this really big one. So that is really cool. And then when your tip stops picking up, if it gets, you know, dusty or oils on it or anything like that, you just resharpen it and you'll have a clean, fresh tip to use. These 3 pencils were only 36 cents for all 3. And these were the prices as of the time that I purchased them, so their prices may change. They do run a lot of sales and a lot of specials, so be sure to check out their website for the current pricing. The next thing I ordered was this roll of tape, and it is 5/8 inch wide, and it is a pretty long roll of tape, and it is just double-sided adhesive, and it tears really easy, and then you could stick it on your project and then peel off the backing. And then you have your double-sided tape. This roll of tape was only 58 cents. I wanted to try it to see how sticky it is, and it's quite strong. I'm impressed with the strength of it. It'll be great on projects when you need a precision piece of tape. Then the next thing I ordered is something so fun. I'm so excited about this. It is this assortment pack of all of these floral trims, and if you've watched any of my past videos, you know I love using these floral trims. And it comes with all of these. Let's see, the first one are these really small daisies, a little smaller than the usual ones. And I believe each one of these is about 1 meter long. So a little bigger than a yard each. So we have that one. Then we are into the larger flowers for the rest of them. There's the white daisy with the pink center. I have large ones that are white daisies with yellow center, so I thought this would be good to have. We have the black and white daisies. And the orange and white. And of course, my favorite, the purple and yellow. Purple is my favorite color. So that's a really pretty springtime color. So this pack was $3.11. So that's not bad for that assortment of trims. Everything comes packaged nicely in plastic bags as well. Then the next thing I ordered, I love this stuff, is our paper packs. This first paper pack is a pearl, like a glimmer paper. There are 20 pieces in the pack. And let's see, we might have 2 of each color. We have this really pretty blue. There you can see it on the camera. And we have 2 pieces of the white. It doesn't show up as well, but it is kind of a pearl color. We have this red. We have gray, purple. Here you can kind of see some of the glimmer. Yellow, a pale pink, a copper color, a light blue, and a little more of like a salmon color pink. So there's 20 sheets of paper in this pack, and it was only $1.40. It was on sale. It's regularly $4 for this pack, but this was $1.40 for this entire pack. That is an awesome price. Then, of course, one of my favorite things is this pack of glitter paper. There's 10 pieces in this pack. I love glitter paper. If you watch any of my videos, you know I frequently make cards using this glitter paper. And that's what the sheet looks like, the information sheet. And the paper measures in inches, 8 1/4 inches by 11 1/2. So it is big enough to cut down and use for mats on your projects. So we have 10 sheets. We have this beautiful fuchsia color, this coppery brown color, my favorite, this purple, beautiful red. The red doesn't show up so good on the camera, but it is very sparkly. Black, that shows up pretty good. Brown, silver, and this one's a little bit more of like a goldish silver, but not a bright gold. So that's it's a nice color gold. Green and blue. So those would be great for recycled Christmas cards and other projects as well. Has a lot of good colors in that pack. And let's see, that 10 pack was $2.36. And then they had this pack on sale. This is a 50 pack of the glitter paper. I'm sure a lot of it is the same. It's just a larger pack. This was regularly $9.49 and it was on sale for $4.93. So I could not resist purchasing it. No, some of these colors are different. We have pretty green. We have more of a traditional gold. And we have silver. And we have this fuchsia and another green. Now some of these, probably why it was on sale, have some white marks, but that's okay. Another fuchsia, this brown color, 2 shades of purple, and there are quite a few of this one purple. So there are quite a few of those, which I am not complaining because I love the purple. And this is like a navy blue color. And again, this has the small stripe on the side. I use these for matting cards, so that does not matter to me. I can cut that off. These two blues are slightly different. And there's quite a few of this one, I think. There's 3 of those. Very, very sparkly. And we have some more of the brown papers. A whole bunch of those. Super sparkly. And then the fuchsia. There's like 5 more of those. More of this purple. The red, very sparkly red. Although the red sparkles for some reason don't show up very well on the camera. More fuchsia, silver. There's several sheets of the silver. More of the green. Just the top couple of these have the white stripe. They don't all. I guess some of these do. It's just on that side. But that's okay. That's just a tiny sliver. This green is a little bit different. It has more silver in it, and there aren't any imperfections on that. They don't all have an imperfection on them. And then these are the gold. So what a great pack. 50 sheets, quite an assortment of colors, several of each color. These will certainly be fun to use. So this is my collaboration with Lbeads. Like I said, they sent me these items. I got to choose them. They sent them for free in exchange for some videos. So I did the one unboxing video, and then I will be bringing you 2 videos with projects using some of these. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please click on that subscribe button and then click on the notification bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. Also, I will post links to all of these items in the description box below, along with my coupon code, and you get 3% off of your order. Please let me know which of these products are your favorite, or if you go to their website, please let me know which product you found that you really like. It'll give me an idea for some future videos. If you do shop on their website, please use the links I provide below so they know that I sent you. Thank you so much again for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.